guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris. So I just want to do a quick little introduction, y'all. My channel's fairly new. I'm just starting to upload again. I started uploading a little while ago, so I thought it would be perfect for me to do a formal introduction. So I am an interior designer, and here we're going to be talking a little bit about everything. I'm going to show you my passion with interior design with you, so to kind of help you elevate your style with ease or elevate your home with ease. I'm also going to talk about all things lifestyle and fashion. Now today, girl, we're going to get into this closet makeover, okay? It's that thing that you didn't know you needed, okay? When I tell you this closet has made my ADHD heart so happy, girl, if you see the before, when you clicked on this video, you saw it. Don't judge me, okay? Look, when you bring a good design together and it's aesthetically pleasing and functional, baby, that picture that you saw before, my closet, my side of the closet, hubby's side was always pristine, but my side, honey, looked like that 11 months out the year. Ask me how many times the closet has been dirty since this closet's been up. Now granted, disclaimer, this is some old footage. This closet's been up almost a year. Don't judge. But ask me how many times this closet's been dirty. Okay, only 2. But I have good reasons. I was kind of in a transitional period. So now, I ain't gonna lie. Listen, come a little closer. Look, this project is not for the faint of heart, honey. IKEA, with COVID and supply chain issues, baby, you gotta want this. You gotta want it bad. Because when I tell you, this gonna test your faith, your gangster, and everything in between, listen. You gotta want this, because you're gonna have to really get resourceful to get all your pieces. I'm just saying. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Now, y'all, this reveal is everything, okay? So stay tuned, watch to the end. I can't wait for you to see it. Bye. All right, so I just started pulling the shoes out. The contractor will be here next week to put in the floors, the new floors. But I just thought about, let me show you guys a good walkthrough video of the before. I'm not sure if I have this already, but this is after I pulled out 7 bags this size, 7 trash bags. I don't know what the quality looks like. I have this kind of zoomed out just so you can kind of get a good perspective. But this is my side of the room. And notice we only have 1 rack across the top. We don't have any railing down here. We're not using a lot of that vertical space. Nothing. It's just, yeah, I can't wait for it to get changed. And I already pulled my shoes out over here, down here. And I know this looks messy, but it's really not as bad as it looks. Like you're back up in there. Stuff is kind of neat. You still can't see it. This is Brandon's side. This is how his sides look. His ceiling, the ceiling on his side slopes down. So his units won't be as high. But this is his side. He's gonna have 2 units on this side, 2 units on this side, and then we have to figure out something to do with his shoes. So this is before. Light fixtures are getting changed. Can't wait for the big reveal.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I.
Okay, so first application is on. I don't know if I'm going to come back and do a second coat. We'll see. But when it dries white, that's how you know it's ready. Over here, this is the first side I started on. So the place where the holes were, which was the deepest, That's where it's still pink. So waiting on that to dry. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I filmed some of the painting process, but y'all, this was a struggle. Your girl thought that I can point and shoot, and that was not the case. So it was definitely a learning curve with that paint sprayer. But so I finished. Here's the second coat, and I also decided to do only the ceiling and the top portion of the ceiling area that's going to be shown, and nothing else, because y'all, this has taken way more paint. I thought I could do this room with a gallon. I don't know what I was thinking, so I had to go buy another gallon right there this morning, and I'm just going to continue along the perimeter of the room at the top and also cover the ceiling, and everything else that's not painted will be covered up with the PAX unit. I have a few areas like here along this wall. I think there's a little bit of this wall is going to peek out, so I painted that. When you do this, make sure you do goggles. Make sure you get a paint mask. This is pressing on my nose, so I know I sound crazy, but I'm ready today. Really quick, this is not a paint gun tutorial, paint sprayer tutorial, because child, I'm on the struggle bus. But let me show you what I did learn. So when painting the ceiling, I suggest twisting. Yesterday, this was put on here this way. So when you tilt it up, it wasn't getting any paint. So today, since I'm painting the ceiling, I'm turning it this way. So when I tilt it, it'll suck up the paint. All right, let's get it.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out of Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the virus clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got it big lit. Sage with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. Going, I want a grill for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break. I put a lock on the game. I put a stock in my...
All right, this looks like this is the final inventory before the install. We have a couple light fixtures there. That's a bench. You're gonna see me paint that later. And yeah, these are some boxes I got shipped from other locations. Long story. Some shelves that just came in. I was lucky to get those. I think this might be the last shipment of these. And on top there is a unit that arrived broken. Long story. Hangers. We're switching all the hangers to the velvet hangers. And also we have some stuff back here too. And also there's boxes on the table, and the boxes on the floor are stacked. So yeah, fun times.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my
trust and believe you're gonna be seeing outfits of the days. Hi guys, so this is what I have on today. Or about four pair of shoes per row, possibly